What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So the report just came bearish for natural gas. As you can see right here, the nat gas storage report came bearish. It didn't affect the prices much, but I'll be looking for my entries technically because nat gas is run perfectly fine technically. Now we are at the lower level looking at the other platforms, but I'm just talking about the conditions on NEMEX. Now on NEMEX there is no condition and I'm not taking an entry with a green candle of this double bottom. It's totally up to you if you want to take it, but it is so risky that looking at the price action, this big red candle shows a bearish pressure, so I'm not taking an entry with this small green candle. Instead, I want to see a solid engulfing candle within this blue box, which is right here, these numbers in blue. If not, then I want to see a solid engulfing candle within this green zone, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers 2.869 goes to 3.103. That is my big zone from where I want to see an entry condition. Now right here I want to see a solid confirmation like this. If you look at previously, we had an entry, a solid green candle engulfs the previous 382 candles. So that is why I'm not taking any trades and I'm not taking any risk just to be in the trade and risk my hard-earned money. So for now there is no confirmation. I still want to see a proper engulfing candle. If I see that, I'll keep you guys informed as well. Keep looking for my Telegram channel, and also I'm posting on X. You can see the links in my YouTube description. So at this point, just an engulfing candle I want to see, in case you're wondering. That is not a valid bullish 382 candle. So either a valid long wick bullish 382 candle or a strong engulfing candle happens here or anywhere in this zone for me to take a long trade. Otherwise, I'm just looking for sell trade, but for that I want to see a push down and a pullback and bearish engulfing pattern. So keep looking for these conditions. Be patient, and there is no conditions as of yet. Now at this point here on Owanda, we are now in the level of support. All I want to see a strong engulfing candle, next candle, 4-hour candle. If that happens, I'll be going long, or a double bottom within this zone. If that happens, I'll be going long from here. So keep looking for a strong condition, not a weak condition for us to take an entry. We are still not oversold. That is why if we take an entry according to the double bottom here, that will be very risky entry. If I look right here, that is why I'm looking for an oversold. If it was oversold and then this green candle happens, then I would take a risk. But here the conditions looks very weak. So at this point, I want to see strong engulfer, must engulf within this zone. Here the zone on Owana is right here through 2.847 goes to 3.074. Wait for the proper entry. Once we have that, we are good to go long. For now, actively I'll be looking for a strong pullback and bearish engulfing pattern below 50 EMA. If that happens, I'll be going short term only, 1 to 2 ATR, and then I'll look for my long trades from this green zone if the conditions happen. So if this candle turns out to be a red candle, then next strong engulfing candle, that will be a buy signal, and in that case I'll be going long using 1 ATR to 2 ATR for my targets. So wait for the conditions to form. For now there is no conditions, means no entries. On capital.com we might get a condition soon. Now previously the price nicely bounced up from here, as you can see, all the way from here. So that is why I keep looking for an entry. Now I can see the strong bullish pressure, and that is also a 382 bullish candle. Now if I see a condition on capital.com, I still go for my trades. Now on this platform right here, that is forming a 382 bullish candle. Now that itself an entry, very aggressive entry, and in this type of entry I enter my buy stop order a few pips above to go long. But for gas it will be risky. I've not tested gas with that. It's totally up to you if you want to take it, if that close as a bullish pin bar. But a strong entry will be as next candle confirms a bullish green engulfing candle. If that happens, we have a buy signal. I can see a bullish pressure here on capital.com with green candles, inside bar candles, and this red candle. If that forms as a pin bar, and then engulfing candle will become the entry condition. So let's see how the next 4-hour candle close. That will decide the entry, and I'll keep my stop loss below an ATR, and then 1 to 1, and then 1.2 to 1 for my reward to risk ratio. So keep an eye and look for these conditions. Right guys, so while I was recording this video, I just found this nice pattern that has been forming with a long wick, and we had this doji followed by long wick candle that also confirms the bullish pressure. So that could be an entry as well by keeping a stop loss below and take profit. You can go 1 to 1 and manage your trade to 1.4 to 1. So a good setup I'm finding here, but that's a very aggressive setup because that's not an engulfing candle. That is a pin bar, still not closed yet. Make sure you see how it closed. And here on Ovanda as well, if that turns out to be a red candle, which is good, next candle will confirm the aggressive entry. So keep an eye. And here on Nemex, now this will confirm the double bottom. If that turns out to be a pin bar, we have a red candle. That's a very good entry if we have a close like this. On MCX, exactly the same. Look for double bottoms right here. And for that, price must come down, hit this rejection box to form engulfers, a pin bar in this zone to go long. For now, wait for the price to come down and form conditions. And we are now in the level of major support, as you can see these numbers in blue, and I'll be looking for my buy conditions if the condition form. A good condition I'm looking at on capital.com. If that forms, and I'll be entering my trade. Next up, we have gold. Gold is broken below the previous lows. I've posted gold analysis on my X account. If you have not seen that, make sure you follow me on X. I'll be posting some analysis there occasionally. Now, the price just broke below the previous low with a solid candle. We have a pullback retest of the previous low, and we can see a possible further trend continuation. So at this point, if there is some more pullback above 50, below 50 EMA, I'll be looking for bearish engulfer to go short. And now we can remove this zone so that we can have a less distractions. So at this point, only looking for a pullback below 50 EMA engulfer like this, and I'll be going short till when? Till the price reaches this minor support, which is right here. 3244.65 goes to 3264.52, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade with engulfers or double bottom. So this is the next zone from where I want to enter my buy trade, a minor zone and not a major one. Keep an eye, but for now we are just looking for sell trade with bearish engulfing entry conditions. Silver broke below the previous support. That has now turned resistant, and there was no entry condition for silver, and that is what we call a beauty of taking your trades with condition. If you enter right here blindly, you would be stopped out dramatically. Now at this point, we are just looking for the pullbacks, engulfers to go short. That is all we are looking at, and not taking any buy trades till we get to the next minor level, not a major one. It is 4.42 goes to 35.00, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades engulfers at double bottom, a minor level, but I'm expecting some bounce from here. But for now, we are just looking for a pullback engulfers to go short till here, but I'll be using 1 to 2 ATR for my initial targets once the condition forms. So only bearish trades for silver with pullbacks, and we are just going short. Finally, we have crude oil is pulling back all the way from my zone. I've done my analysis on Nemex right here, and we do have a minor zone above, which is right here. 71.72 goes to 73.80. Now we have getting a pullback. We have got a correction in the pullback, and we can see some more correction that is likely. And if the condition forms above 50 EMA, I'll be going long, followed by engulfing candle like this. If we have an engulfing candle below 50 EMA, above 50 EMA, I mean, in that case, I'll be going long till here, from where we can see some pullback and continuation towards the upside. So for now, we are just looking for buy trades, but I want to see a condition must happen above 50 EMA. We still didn't get any conditions. That is why I'm still waiting for my buy conditions only. So expect some more pullback. That is what I'm expecting, above 50 EMA with engulfing candle to take my buy trades till here, exit here, and then look for my next entry condition. So we are bullish for crude oil, and I'm only looking for my entry conditions for crude oil. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you do it green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.